Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in the studio, I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset your Turtle Beach headset. So this can be for your PlayStation 4, 5, or Xbox One or Xbox Series S. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So in this video of how to reset your Turtle Beach headset, I will be using the Stealth 700 Generation 2 for the PlayStation 4 and the PlayStation 5. Now with my headset, I got a small USB transmitter and also a USB to USB-C cable. Now you will need to go ahead and plug in your USB-C cable to your headset like this. So let's go ahead and plug this in. Now let's go ahead and turn on our headset by powering it on. So my headset is now turned on. Now you will need a computer available to you also. So you have your headset with this cable and the USB transmitter. Both of these have to be plugged into a USB port on your computer for the update or the reset to happen. So go ahead and plug both of these into your computer. This is very important to go ahead and do this, otherwise it won't work. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this into my computer right now. So luckily for me, I have 3 front USB ports on my computer, so I don't have to go around to the back side whatsoever. Now I'm going to rest my headset right here on my desk, and don't touch it, don't disconnect it when it's already connected to your computer. Now the red light is on. Let's go over to my desktop now. So now go to google.com and type in Turtle Beach firmware update or Turtle Beach firmware, just like this. And the first link will be to Turtle Beach Audio Hub download firmware updates. So click on this link and go to this page. And here is the direct URL if you want that. So now locate your platform. So I have Windows. If you have Mac, go ahead and choose that and download this software. Now with this software, we can update or reset our headset. So let's go ahead and open up the Audio Hub right now. So this is the Audio Hub right here, and it's loading the device. Do not disconnect or turn off your machine. So my headset is up to date, so I'm going to press OK. Now you have the option to update, and then you have the option to restore. Let's go ahead and press restore. So this process will reset all your settings to their defaults. It will not update the firmware. So we're going to have to go ahead and update the firmware after we reset. So let's press yes. And it's downloading files and doing a complete factory reset of the product. And my headset just turned off. And the restore is complete. Press OK. Please connect additional components. Your device is up to date. There is no firmware. So sweet. So I just went ahead and restored it and updated it. And now I can go ahead and reconnect it to my PC with a Bluetooth connection, my phone, or if I've been having any kind of issue. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help tips coming up next on YourSixStudios.